Huh.
Hey guys, it's Dane at Jonah Guitars, and I just got a little extra thing for you here today. Got a cover plate, control cavity cover plate for a Les Paul Jr. type of guitar, and I want the ends to be it's just a straight plate with round ends. It would be great if I could just do a 2-inch because I have 2-inch sander. Call for that, just zip it into the sander and get those radiuses right there perfect. But it's 1 3/4. I'm actually going to go a little fatter that out to 1 13/16. So I've been scrambling around the shop. I know you've done this, you run around the shop with different things. I've got a prescription bottle that's not the right size. I got the top of the lid for the acetone. Got just random things around the shop that are round. We try to see if they're going to work out for the radius we need. So I don't have anything that's exactly 1 13. Okay, so we run around all over the shop looking for the right size thing to trace, and we can't come up with it. So I had a roll of electrical tape in my hand, and I thought, well, it's only another 1/4 inch of tape. If I pulled it off of there, I could work it right down to the right exact size and just trace that. And then I thought, well, wait a second. I got all kinds of random size washers, and I just need a little bit bigger diameter than what the prescription bottle lid was. So let's zoom you down here, and I know that you've traced patterns with washers, or that's a common thing to do, so that you have a little extra size around your pattern if you're doing a top on a guitar or body, whatever. Gives you a little extra room, so you end up taking that down, sanding or router, bit kind of thing. But so kind of guesstimate. See, the width of this thing is the size the radius needs to be, and so if I go out and kind of guess, I can see the edges and see what I've got, and that's pretty even. I'm going to just give myself a little line here so I can see how parallel I am. I'm a little off, so I'll pull back that way a fuzz. And right, so drop the washer. This may or may not turn out perfectly. I'll fiddle for it with it until it's the way I like it. But just to get the point across, you can just pencil in the hole there, and that gives you that extra fuzz you need. I must have wiggled my pencil, but all right, and it's just ever so slightly off on the edge there. But quite satisfactory. So it's pretty even all the way around there to me, so that's going to be good. Now I did it while the piece was a piece rather than cut in half. I'm going to cut that in half, and then I'm going to sand out to my radius. So I'll cut some of that out with the bandsaw, but then I'll sand to my line, and I'll double check. It's going in the back of another guitar. It's not this guitar over here. So that's it. All right, guys, that's just a little quick one there. Hope that's helpful in your endeavors. Go make some dust, guys. See ya. Just a little update at the end of this. I went over to my spindle sander and sanded this out to the line, and lo and behold, I found the top washer for my my 3-inch, 2-inch or 3-inch sanding jobbies, and guess what? It's perfect, the size I needed, exact. I didn't use it because I already devised the other thing, but if you need 1 13/16 radius or diameter, that wouldn't be a radius, to trace, there you have it. Go check out your Grizzly spindle sander. It's right there on top of the machine.